Hi, today we are going to learn how to charge users for booking appointments. CM Appointments Booking Pro allows you to manage and display multiple calendars with open spots for visitors to book. The payment set-down allows you to charge users to book said spots. We assume that you already know how to configure your first calendar. If not, check our another video about it. We consider that you have already bought and installed the CM Appointments Booking Pro plugin and the Payments add-on. The Payment add-on works with two payment systems, so you also need to install and activate either EDD or WooCommerce. There is almost no difference between using EDD or WooCommerce. Both are free and provide free and paid add-ons. To install them, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for either Easy Digital Downloads or WooCommerce and install it. Don't forget to configure the payment plugin. This way you can connect it to payment providers such as PayPal or credit card companies, and make sure that your payment plugin has the correct checkout and cart pages set up. They are used by the plugin. EDD and WooCommerce work similarly. WooCommerce works with products, and in the case of EDD the products are called downloads. The plugin allows you to choose which payment plugin to use if they are activated. Navigate to CM Appointments Booking Pro, Options, Payment tab. In the option, select the payment system, choose the payment system that you've activated and click the button Save Changes. Only one system can be enabled at a time. We will use EDD in our use case video. Now we can start setting prices for our booking slots. When you activate the Payments add-on and one of the payment systems, products for every calendar are created automatically for three basic booking durations: 15, 30 and 60 minutes. Products are created in the payment system that you've chosen to work with. Creating products is fully automatic, so you don't need to create products manually. Each calendar has its own products, so you can define different prices for different calendars. To distinguish products for every calendar, the automatically created products have a specific format of the name. The name of each product is based on the slot of the calendar and on the duration of the booking slot. When products for basic booking durations are created, you need to define prices for them and configure payment parameters. To do this, navigate to CM Appointments Booking Pro, Calendars. Hover on the calendar you need and click Edit. First, you can enable the option Automatic Booking. If the option is on, this calendar will not require moderation and approval for each booking. Second, if automatic booking is on, you can also enable the option Send User Directly to Checkout. If it's enabled, when the user clicks the payment button, he will be directed to checkout, otherwise he will receive an email with the checkout link. When this option is enabled, one more option appears that allows you to disable Finalize Booking message. Now let's set the prices for basic booking durations for 15, 30 and 60 minutes in the relevant fields. Then click Update to save the changes. The relevant products will be automatically updated in the chosen payment system. This completes the process of setting up appointments prices. Now, when a customer tries to book an appointment in the chosen calendar, he will be prompted to pay. Next step is setting up paid slot in a calendar schedule. Navigate to CM Appointments Booking Pro, Schedule. Choose the calendar which schedule you need to configure and click on it. In the Week Template tab, you can configure the availability of your schedule with free and paid slots. Above the schedule grid, you can see a couple of tips about paid slots. First tip is about slot markers. There are three conditions of available for booking slots: not paid slot, fully paid slot, and partially paid slot. In plugin options, you can change default names of these labels in the Labels tab, and you can change default colors of these labels in the Appearance tab. We will talk about what is partially paid slot a little bit further. Second tip is about current cost of basic slots that you configure individually for each calendar. This is a little help for the admin, so it's not necessary to keep in mind the prices of the basic slots. There are two ways how you can make the slots paid or free: in bulk or individually. First method, in bulk. You can find two buttons under the schedule grid: Mark all slots as paid and Mark all slots as unpaid. The names of these buttons are self-explanatory. Clicking on the button Mark all slots as paid will make all available for booking slots paid, and clicking on Mark all slots as unpaid will make them all not paid. Second method, individually. You can hover on any slot that is available for booking and click it with the right button of the mouse. In the context menu that opens, you can switch the slot between paid and unpaid conditions. So, what is partially paid slot? Above the schedule grid, you can see a drop-down where you can choose the grid of your schedule. This grid switcher is only for the backend displaying, and it's not the way how the slot's duration will be displayed on the front end for customers. To change the booking slot duration on the front end, you need to change the parameter events duration in the calendar settings. The grid can be switched between 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes slot durations. It means that any booking slot duration can be decomposed to these three basic durations. So, for example, the slot with 60 minutes duration can consist free and paid 15 or 30 minute slots, and it will make this 60 minutes slot partially paid. Let's consider a couple of examples to make it clearer. Let's switch our schedule to 15 minutes grid and make a few paid slots. And then we switch our schedule to 30 minutes grid. As you can see in the first line, one of the 30 minute slots became partially paid, as it consists one of paid and one free 15 minute slots. All other slots are fully paid or fully free. Now let's switch the same example from 30 to 60 minutes grid. As you can see, first and second 1 hour slots became partially paid, as they contain free and paid 15 and 30 minute slots. As there is a possibility to book slots with different durations and there are partially paid slots, there is a need to create additional products and set up prices for different durations. All additional products and their prices are calculated and created automatically. Their prices depend only on the prices of three basic slot durations: 15, 30 and 60 minutes. The whole process of generating additional products is fully automatic. How the price is calculated? When the customer makes a booking with a duration that is different from the one of the basics, the price is calculated by summarizing the time and splitting it to the basic durations from higher to lower. Example: we have three products with basic booking durations: 15 minutes $10, 30 minutes $18, and 60 minutes $25. The customer chooses a partially paid slot with the duration 4 hours, and paid part is equal to 2 hours and 45 minutes, or 165 minutes. The price will be calculated as 60 plus 60 plus 30 plus 15 minutes. In result, it will be the sum of prices of each slot duration: 25 plus 25 plus 18 plus $10. During customer's attempt to make a booking, there will be automatically created a new product for the duration 165 minutes with the price $78, and this product can be paid by the customer to finalize the booking. After the purchase is confirmed, the customer will receive the following information along with an email. To manage all your bookings, navigate to CM Appointments Booking Pro, Bookings. The admin can see here all bookings with different statuses. If automatic booking is disabled, new bookings that are waiting to be approved will have the status New. All approved but not paid yet bookings will have the status Waiting for payment. Approved and paid bookings will have the status as Accepted. There can also be rejected bookings with corresponding status. The Payments add-on has 3 extra email templates which can be customized. To configure this, navigate to CM Appointments Booking Pro, Options, Email Templates tab. Email templates related to the payment add-on are located at the end of the page. They refer to Finalize Booking Payment, instructs the user on how to make a payment. Finalize Booking Payment Reminder, this email is sent as a reminder if the customer has not paid yet. And Booking Deleted, Payment Expired, notifies the user that the booking was deleted for lack of payment. The email subject and body support placeholders. You can find the full list by clicking the Placeholders button located above every email template. You can set when reminders will be sent in the Payment tab in the option Send Reminders. As an example, 24 means the user will receive the reminder every 24 hours. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to charge users for booking slots in your calendars. Thanks for watching the video.